Melissa Wiseman. I'm a certified occupational therapy assistant. I work in special education for the Copper Country Intermediate School District. I guess special education is one of those things that I didn't really know I wanted to do. I have been a certified occupational therapy assistant for about 12 years, and I've worked in the medical field. I had the opportunity to get contracted to a different ISD where I started working in special education, and I just kind of fell in love with it. We work with children directly, one-on-one, and we fine-tune their maybe fine motor or their visual perception. So in a school setting, we work a lot with handwriting, kind of perfecting that. Just getting their hands stronger and their upper extremities coordinated so that they can just do everyday things that they need to do in school and keep up with their peers. Occupational therapy, it is complex, right? Because we're a little bit of everything, meaning like, maybe we overlap with PT a little, maybe a little social work. I guess the gist of it is that we promote independence. So we want the children to be able to do everything they need to do on their own in a daily basis, whether that's going to the bathroom, walking to the bathroom by themselves and just doing that piece, or getting from class to class, being able to understand and write out their homework. I was working with a student and her name began with a K, and we must have worked on that letter for months and months and months. And it was like just the moment that she was able to correctly form the K was just like, that was probably one of my first moments, this is why I'm here. And it's something so little, but it was just like, you could just see it in her, she was so proud and happy that she was able to do that. Do it, just go for it. So even if you're thinking about maybe possibly getting into special education, give it a try, whether it's volunteering or just get your foot in the door. And I think any of those questions of if I want to do this or is this for me, I think they'll be answered. And I bet you more times than not that the person will definitely decide to go and stay in special education. I think just we have a lot of diversity up here in Houghton County, for sure. So just getting to know and see all kinds of different people and working with their likes and wants. We're very in tune to the person, so we try to take different things that they might like to do or want to learn and build off of that.